Hi guys, this is another update video. So for today I tried working on the crew member combat, more specifically how the pathfinding works when it comes to attacking another characters in TFT. So let me just show you that. Okay, let's say I move this. Okay, you can see right now there's like a lot of crew members. I just did this so I can show you how the pathfinding works. So first off is that when you select an area to move a crew member, it turns green. That means it's moving to that location. And then once it's moved to that location, it turns yellow, which means there's a crew member occupying that area. So with this, I'm able to do the logic of occupying the adjacent slots. So let's say I want to, Claire wants to move to Julian. Let's say Claire wants to attack Julian. So Claire moves to an empty slot adjacent to Julian. Also, let's say I want to move Bob to Julian. There's another Bob here. So they keep on occupying the area that's not yet occupied by another crew member. And this is the last crew member. So, okay, this is a part where I'm not exactly sure on how to go. But if I move Kiara here now, since it's all occupied, right now the code just defaults to moving to the location. And yeah, that's probably not ideal. But what I'm gonna do for that is that it will just look at all the occupied grids and do the same logic and move to the unoccupied areas. So yeah. Also, I tried doing the solution that Amit suggested, where for the edge tiles here, if they don't have 6 adjacent slots or some of their adjacent slots are missing, then it will generate as an obstacle. But for some reason, when I try to get the neighboring or adjacent tiles of this tile here at the edge, it returns 6 coordinates. So even though a grid there doesn't exist, it still returns the theoretical coordinates of the grid. So I cannot right now the data that you can get from a tile, like for just it won't work that way, since it'll always generate the 6 adjacent slots even though it physically doesn't exist there. So yeah, okay, so I also have another issue, or it's not really issue but something I have to solve, where how would the crew member know how far, let's say it's a ranged crew member, and how would it determine if it's far enough to shoot? I mean I can okay, to be honest, it's not really an issue. I just have to figure it out first. I was just talking about the range crew member and how it could determine where to position itself based on how far the range of the attack is, but I haven't figured it out yet, but I think I will. Just not right now. And yeah, other than that, so for my next steps, I'd fix some bugs with the crew member moving to another location. Since, okay, so for example, if I click here and then I click to another location, okay, it's working. But okay, if I click fast, okay, this is This is what happens now, but this is just a bug that I have to fix. For my... nope. Okay, I guess it gets crashed there, but anyway, for my next steps, I'd also start looking into how it will manage range attacks, where to position itself, and just continue working on the system. Other than that, that'll be my update video for today. Yeah, thanks for watching.